So lunch with your prospective client or your current clients who will give you more money equals sales, right? See that lunch bag you bring to your work to save few bucks. See, it is costing you hundreds of thousands in lost sales. See, go out, be seen, mix it up, put yourself in the game. Use your lunch time to meet prospective clients or current clients who can give you more money. See, don't waste this opportunity hanging out with friends and fellow employees. They can't help you the way you want to be crazy rich or a millionaire or even a billionaire.